Bollywood was once about make and break relationships and cat fights between the divas, but now the younger lot of actors are not carrying this legacy forward. They believe in being friends and clearing misunderstandings quickly. The latest to-do is this: Deepika Padukone, Bollywood's Leela, was said to have given a cold shoulder to Queen actress Kangana Ranaut, but she has finally cleared the air of misunderstandings with the letter.
One, it really surprises me that it's a very personal conversation between two people, so how it goes out sometimes, I find that really amusing and fascinating. Having said that, yes, it was a very, very personal conversation, so I wouldn't want to discuss the details of the conversation.
But Deepika, Kangana was the one who did not support your My Choice video also. So should we think that all the misunderstandings between you and Kangana is clear and you are friends?
I think it's important. I think it's important for her and me to know where we stand in our relationship and in our equation. And I leave it at that.
हाँ, जिसका जो बस में है वो करना चाहिए, सेलिब्रिटीज़ जितना कर सकें और यूनाइट होकर कर सकें और सब कर सकें, एटलीस्ट हमारे लिए इतने बड़े भूकंप की ज़रूरत नहीं है. न्यूज़ जो है कितना बड़ा नुकसान हुआ उससे पता चलता है कि ये बड़ी न्यूज़ है. एक्चुअली जिस तरह से अगर कोई भी एक जान भी अगर जाती है किसी भी वजह से, तो वो उसका भी मतलब वक़्त उतनी होनी चाहिए जितनी बड़ी ट्रेजेडीज़ की होती है.
Well, I think it's largely an association with Piku, because there is a marriage there in terms of what Piku is. Wow, they're having a lot of fun behind. I think it's what Piku stands for as a woman, as a person, as an individual. I think she represents every modern woman today, someone who works, but at the same time, tries to multitask, I think, like all women do. And someone who's modern but still very, very traditional in that sense. And I think that's why this association, was a very, very natural and organic association.
Powered by NNIS.